This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're going to enable Webp now. First, confirm your Photoshop version or get the Google/Adobe Webp plugin. Once downloaded, quit Photoshop and run the installer. Make sure the plugin files land in Photoshop's plugins folder. Relaunch Photoshop so the app registers the format. Then open the image you want to export and convert it to sRGB. This ensures color consistency across browsers. If you need transparency, keep alpha channels. Otherwise, flatten to reduce file size before export. Once done, go to File, then Export and choose the Webp option. If you see Export as, select Webp from the Format menu. You'll set quality as a number from 0 to 100. Higher means better fidelity but larger size, and choose lossless versus lossy depending on whether you need exact pixels. Make sure to keep or remove alpha channel per your needs, resize if necessary, and strip unnecessary metadata to cut size. Finally, preview to check visual quality versus file size trade-offs. When you're ready, click Export or Save and choose your destination, then confirm the Webp opens in a browser or viewer to verify colors and transparency. For many files, use Image Processor or a scripted batch export targeting Webp to speed workflows. If you can't find Webp in the menu, make sure Photoshop is updated, reinstall the Webp plugin, and check the plugin's folder and preferences. If problems persist, reset Photoshop's preferences or check for conflicting third-party plugins before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.